Hello student, I am your chemistry mentor Veena Dikshit. I discuss here reduction process of DiBAl-H at minus 78 degrees C, lithium aluminium hydride followed by hydrolysis NaBH4 and methanol. So what are the reduction process over here? I discuss this by taking one example that will be much easier for you to understand. Now compare the comprehension type I have discussed. Here I have given you one ester group and one aldehyde group, so that is two groups in the same compound. See here DiBAl-H at minus 78 degrees C, LiAlH4, NaBH4, how they will behave with this compound. Now there are certain four questions are here, which will give you diol, that is 2 CHO group, which will give you diol, which is having 2 OH group, and which will not give aldehyde or alcohol after reduction of ester, which will give ethanol also. So these four things we have to discuss. Now comparison. See here C2H5O, this ester group is there, CH2, this aldehyde group is there. Reagent we are using here DiBAl-H. Now since we know that DiBAl-H is weaker reducing agent as compared to LiAlH4, that is why this ester group is only reduced to aldehyde group. Clear? Ester group is only reduced to aldehyde group, and CHO will remain as such. CHO will not be reduced at this temperature. I am telling you this. Keep in mind that when this temperature is there, there will be no reduction of CHO. Okay, if we are not using this temperature, at high temperature, it can be reduced, but not at minus 78 degrees C. Clear to you? Now, LiAlH4, since being a very stronger reducing agent, what will it do? It will reduce this ester group into, alcohol group. Okay, so this LiAlH4 reduces ester group to alcohol group and CHO group to CH2H group. Means here we are having diol. That was in the question, that which will give you diol. So LiAlH4 will give you diol, which will reduce ester group into alcohol. This LiAlH4 reduces ester group into alcohol. Means here we can put so many questions. Okay, so which will not reduces this ester group into alcohol. So we can use, say, DiBAl-H as well as NaBH4 will not reduce ester group into alcohol. Why? Because DiBAl-H will reduce ester into aldehyde only, not alcohol. Clear? Now, means 1-2 question we can also again and again will put inside this. Now lithium aluminium hydride, it will reduce, as I discussed, that it reduce ester group into alcohol group. So here this count the carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbons are here. So we'll get 1, 2, 3 carbon here, 1, 2 and 3. So we will get diol. Propane 1,3 diol. Clear? Now NaBH4 sodium borohydride, it reduces only aldehyde group. So ester group will remain as such. It is protected. This is ester group. It will not be affected by this. Clear? So this is the only molecule which will not reduce ester either into alcohol group or into aldehyde group. Is it clear to you? Now I will summarize this in this way. See, I have given the same molecule, DiBAl-H and minus 78 degrees C. This is quick revision. Give diol, that is 2 aldehyde groups are present over here. Ester group reduces to CHO group, so therefore there are 2 CHO group present in it. Now the same compound react with LiAlH4, we will get diol. Ester group as well as CHO group is reduced into CH2H group. Clear? Now in the case C, NaBH4 3, ester group cannot reduce here, only CHO group is reduced to primary alcohol. Okay, so in case I am answering D, DiBAl-H minus 78 degrees C gives ethanol also, and LiAlH4 H positive gives you ethanol. How? I have asked you 4 questions. I have written separately these answers. In the priorly I told you how they are reducing, and now I am summarizing the whole concept. Clear? DiBAl-H reduces this ester group into aldehyde. So one CHO group is already present over here, and this is ester group is also reduced into CHO. So we will get diol. We have discussed this earlier. Now LiAlH4 H positive, it reduces this ester group into alcohol and this into alcohol. So we will get diol. Diol means two OH groups are present. See here I have written diol. Means two OH groups. Two OH groups are present. That is why. Okay? So we call it that it is a stronger reducing agent as compared to DiBAl-H. Now, which is the strongest? Here in this case, three cases, LiAlH4 is the strongest than DiBAl-H, and DiBAl-H is stronger than NaBH4. Is that clear to you? And I am your chemistry mentor, and God bless you. All the best.